Hello and thank you for visiting the Earning an Academic School Guidance Counselor or School Counselor License at a New Level component of the Massachusetts Educator Licensure Series, often referred to as MELS. This presentation is specifically for individuals who already hold a Massachusetts Initial or Professional Academic School Guidance Counselor License and/or School Counselor License and who wish to earn one of these licenses at a new grade level. Throughout this presentation, there will be references to finding additional information such as guides, forms, and other websites. You can find these resources through links located within the overview located directly beneath this video. Please keep the following in mind when applying for a school guidance counselor or school counselor license. The school guidance counselor and school counselor licenses serve the same function. Due to changes to the regulations, applicants seeking to obtain an initial school guidance counselor license must apply and satisfy all requirements prior to July 1st, 2019. Otherwise, they should apply for the school counselor license. Let's discuss when new level requirements may apply. In the first example, initial to initial, the applicant holds the initial school guidance counselor pre-K-8 license and wants to add an initial school counselor 5 through 12 license. In the second example, professional to initial, the applicant holds the professional school counselor 5 through 12 license and wants to add an initial school guidance counselor pre-K-8 license. In the final example, professional to professional, the applicant holds the Professional School Guidance Counselor Pre-K-8 license and wants to add a Professional School Counselor 5 through 12 license. Now that we have an understanding of when new level may apply, let's cover new level requirements. Licensed school guidance counselors and school counselors may earn a license in the same field at a new grade level by completing one of the following: a seminar, institute, or course approved by the department addressing the curriculum and developmental characteristics of the age group appropriate to the license sought, or a practicum equivalent, or internship of 150 hours in the role and at the level of the license sought. This first option may be satisfied through completion of a course, seminar, or institute that addresses the curriculum and developmental characteristics of the age group associated with the grade levels of the license sought. Official transcripts document the completion of coursework. Letters or certificates of completion document the completion of seminars or institutes. Please upload supporting documents into your ELAR account. Let's look at ways to satisfy and document the practicum equivalent, or the internship option. The completion of a Massachusetts approved program specifically for the license sought is required to satisfy a practicum equivalent. Program providers verify the completion of approved programs through an electronic endorsement in ELAR. Otherwise, to verify the successful completion of an internship, please upload a letter that complies with and includes all information noted in the letter requirements section of the verification of internship completion template, which can be found within the link located within the overview directly beneath this video. Please be advised that an internship is a field-based experience completed outside of an approved program. The internship is supervised and mentored, where the mentor holds a Mass, Initial, or Professional license in the field and at the grade level of the license sought, and has a total of at least 3 years of employment under the Initial and/or Professional license. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about educator licensure in Massachusetts. Thank you also for being an educator or aspiring to become one. Your efforts are commendable and greatly appreciated. We hope this component of MELS has been helpful. Please visit other components of the series for additional information about educator licensure. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the Licensure Call Center at 781-338-6600 or stop by and visit us in person at our walk-in service counter at 75 Pleasant Street, Malden, Mass.